Sustainable architecture is about designing buildings keeping in mind environmental goals and sustainable development. The terms green architecture or green buildings are often used interchangeably with sustainable architecture to promote this definition further. Taking into account the present economic and political issues, sustainable architecture seeks to reduce the negative environmental impact of the buildings by increasing efficiency and moderation in the utilization of building materials, energy, and development space. Similarly, green architecture denotes economical, energy-saving, environmentally friendly, sustainable development and explores the relationship between architecture and ecology. In a case strongly promoting sustainable architecture, some experts have laid down certain basic elements that will help us to contribute to this matter further. These basic elements are small spaces, the use of solar energy, renewable energy, conserving water, using local and natural materials, saving the forest by reducing deforestation, and most of all, durability. Based on these elements, there are two basic ideas that allow the creation of green architecture. Number one, by using recycled materials on the construction of the building, and number two, by adding to the building elements that reduce the energy consumption, such as solar panels. Up next, you'll see a few projects that combine the different ways of creating sustainable architecture.
Sustainable architectural design by German architects. Modular, sustainable, and transportable. These are three words used to describe this sustainable architectural design from Germany's studio Eslinger. The Fincube is a low-energy house characterized by its horizontal slats of locally grown timber, enclosing a transparent glass wall structure. Packing a great punch in 47 meters square of living space, these eco-homes boast a clean, contemporary style to match the clean method of design and construction in these small CO2 footprint homes. Interiors are minimalist in look and maximalist in feel and function, with every modern convenience at your fingertips. Whatever that may be, these modular homes are easily dismantled and reassembled. This compact home design is small but sweet, the way of the eco-friendly future.
Eco-home design makes a striking statement. Featured as part of the American Institute of Architects 2009 Fall Home Tour, Cool House No. 2 Eco-Home designed by Leon Art Architects is one of the most striking sustainable homes in the Gaslight district of Manhattan Beach. This forward-thinking Los Angeles-based architecture firm designed this contemporary-style home of 4,080 square feet with a cool facade and contemporary interiors to match. The open concept house plan features vast sliding glass doors which open interiors to the outdoor, entertaining areas like a number of patios and decks, designed with an industrial shed flair. And proven that it's established to be sustainable, this eco-home design is green rated and is designed with a regard for solar power, energy consumption, land use, and the environment. Lee Green Eco Machine. Now this is what we call a Lee Green Eco Machine. The UR22 residence designed by Vincent Snyder Architects is a 4,000 square feet Dallas, Texas house boasting a unique blend of traditional features and materials used in innovative ways, like the 6-iron roofline and the slate shingles that wrap around from the rooftop down the walls. Expensive glass facades transform this house into a glowing beacon by night, while inside in the light of the day, every corner is naturally illuminated. The clients had a tall order for this house. Apart from being a sustainable architecture project, it was to have an indoor-outdoor connection and a floor plan suited to entertaining small and large groups alike. Thus, an open concept house plan was born, with a modest yet rustic character highlighted by a maze of exposed wood beams overhead. On the other side of the glass, outdoor entertaining areas, protected by deep overhangs, provide shade from the sun and shelter from the rain. But probably the coolest things are those you can see outright. This eco-house design consumes half the energy of a traditional home and was built using renewable materials. Sustainable features include ground source heat pumps, rainwater recycling, and yes, this passive solar home operates off the grid thanks to our warm friends above.
Recycle Eco House by Chilean architects, wood pallets and shipping containers. Manifesta House, designed by Chilean architects and sustainable construction firm Infiniski, is a man-made marvel. Although it is now totally prefabricated, this home in Curacaví, Chile is built using pre-made materials to allow for quick, cost-effective and sustainable construction. At a cost of just 79,000 euros, this eco-home is made of two 40-feet and two 20-feet repurposed shipping containers. Recycled wooden pallets clad in the home's exterior not only give the house a cool look and feeling, but they also provide natural cooling with shade and ventilation. Cool in more ways than one, this modern recycled home features a spacious, airy interior separated from the outdoors by sliding floor-to-ceiling windows. Interiors are largely open concept and feature a sleek minimalist interior design that's as simple as the home's concept as a whole. On the other side of the glass walls, an outdoor entertaining area sheltered by a large awning offers an al-fresco living space. The sustainable house boasts geothermal heat pumps for heating and cooling. The main advantage of green architecture is that it creates comfortable living environments in a sustainable manner, both for individuals and large groups of people. Advantages of green buildings are visible and can be observed. Firstly, in the case of power bills, which will significantly reduce. It is abundantly demonstrated that although it requires a bigger investment in advance for various systems and technologies or materials, a green building, and in particular an individual dwelling, recovers in maximum 10 years this investment through reduced energy consumption for maintenance and use, bringing obvious benefits to users. Another major advantage is the materials used in green architecture. Green materials are eco-friendly, do not emit substances. The composition does not change and do not in any way harm the environment or human. An ecological building made on the foundations of green architecture preserves or stores more resources than consumes, which are then reused in the environment. Compared with greenhouses, the standard houses are functioning as a vacuum for resources. These are degraded until they become useless, the remains being thrown in the environment, often under the form of toxic residues. Each component of a green building can be characterized by several factors, such as a natural lighting, passive design, efficient and well-designated systems of heating, ventilation and cooling, or the possibility to apply the alternative energy. You cannot talk about disadvantages when you are surrounded by nature. Nature is a symbol of health and there is no greater advantage than health. Green architecture brings financial and spiritual advantages and most important, brings health to both human and environment.